Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of two of the most popular note-taking apps on iPad and iOS devices, GoodNotes 6 and Noteful. If you're someone who takes a lot of digital notes, whether you're a student, a teacher, or a professional, these two apps are probably already on your radar. But which one is actually the better choice for you in 2025? That's exactly what we're going to figure out today. Let's get started. GoodNotes 6 has been around for a while and has built its reputation as one of the most polished and user-friendly note-taking apps in the iPad ecosystem. It's designed to feel like a digital notebook that replaces all your paper notebooks, binders, and loose notes. What sets GoodNotes apart is its strong focus on handwriting. The app's handwriting recognition, smooth pen tools, and overall user experience are built to make writing on the iPad feel as natural as possible. Over the years, GoodNotes has expanded beyond just writing. It now includes study tools, interactive practice exams, collaboration features, and even AI-powered functions to help make learning and note-taking smarter. In short, GoodNotes 6 positions itself as a premium all-in-one study and productivity tool. On the other side, Noteful is a newer player in the market, but it's been gaining a lot of traction because of its balance between affordability and functionality. Noteful markets itself as a modern, lightweight, and intuitive app for digital notes. It focuses heavily on customization and organization, giving you the ability to create nested folders, annotate PDFs, and even record audio alongside your notes. What makes Noteful appealing is that it offers many of the features that users love in GoodNotes, but often with a cleaner, minimalistic design and a more budget-friendly approach. So while GoodNotes feels like a mature, polished giant, Noteful feels like the fresh, innovative newcomer that listens to what users want. But of course, their philosophies are clear. GoodNotes 6 is about giving you an advanced, feature-rich ecosystem, while Noteful is about keeping things simple, flexible, and accessible. Now let us talk about the main features in detail. For GoodNotes 6, handwriting and pen tools. Yes, it has excellent handwriting recognition, smooth pen strokes, and customizable pen styles. Smart organization. You can have multiple notebooks, folders, and customizable covers. And of course, the all-important AI assistants. Yes, you have smart summaries, AI note cleanup, and handwriting to text that is powered by AI. Study features are also included. It has built-in flashcards, practice quizzes, and advanced search across handwritten notes. There's also real-time collaboration and document sharing, making it great for study groups or teams. And you can use it on different platforms, from iOS, Mac, to Windows, Android, and even on the web. So your notes sync everywhere. How are the features of Noteful? Clean writing experience. You also have pens, highlighters, and shapes, very natural to write with. Organization. You have nested folders and notebooks which some users prefer. PDF annotation. Yes, strong annotation tools for marking up textbooks, articles, or assignments. Audio notes. You have the ability to record lectures or meetings while taking notes. Templates. There's a wide variety of notebook templates and paper styles, including planners and journals. And also cross-device supports, although it's currently focused on iPad and iPhone, so Cloud Sync for backups is available. What is the pricing like? Well, for GoodNotes 6, it is free to download and try, but the free version is limited with a few number of notebooks. If you want full access, you will need to go for the paid plan by subscribing to a yearly subscription or doing a one-time payment on Apple. The yearly subscription costs around $9.99 per year, which is quite affordable. Well, for GoodNotes, it seems to be more affordable, more budget-friendly. It is free to download, but to get the Pro Unlimited lifetime version of Noteful, all you need to pay is $5.99, which is a one-time payment. No recurring subscription is needed. So for students and for professionals who want an affordable app, this pricing is very attractive. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of both platforms. We start with the pros. For GoodNotes 6, it is extremely polished and has a professional interface. The powerful handwriting recognition is a great plus. AI tools and study features add real value, and cross-platform availability, so you're not locked to one device. It is great for students who need to practice quizzes, flashcards, and collaboration tools. And the pros of using Noteful? It is affordable with a one-time purchase option. Clean, minimal, and easy to use. How about the cons? For GoodNotes, the subscription model may feel expensive over time. And some features of GoodNotes can feel like overkill if you just want a simple note-taking app. And the cons of using Noteful? There are fewer advanced features compared to GoodNotes, and the cross-platform support is limited. Currently, it's limited to only iOS and iPadOS. So having considered all this, which app should you choose in 2025? Which is the better one for you? Well, if you're someone who wants the most complete feature-rich note-taking experience and you don't mind paying a subscription, then GoodNotes 6 is the clear winner. But if you're someone who values simplicity, affordability, and efficiency, Noteful is a fantastic option. Well, it might not have all the AI bells and whistles, but it gets the job done with clean design, audio recording, and excellent organization features. So in the end, I can say GoodNotes 6 is the powerhouse, while Noteful is the smart, budget-friendly alternative. So the best really depends on what you need. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notability, OneNote by Microsoft, and NoteShelf. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.